week na tayong nasa bahay. Humaba na hair ko. Hindi ako sanay sa ganito. Pumunta ako sa barbershop. Lahat sarado. Anong gawin? Walang barbershop. Naka-lockdown. Let's do the unboxing of this. Okay? Home remedy po natin sa mga naglo-long hair na po. Okay? We'll do unboxing this particular new gadget. Very simple but effective during lockdown. Let's get it on, guys.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
So this is the CODOS dynamic hair clipper. Okay, we'll do the quick unboxing on it, what's inside, and then we will apply it to myself. Okay, my hair's quite long now. I need always to have a skin head. Okay, let's start it out. Okay, as you can see, so this is the unboxing. Sorry. So that's what's inside. Okay. So I will start removing this one. This is the rechargeable CODOS dynamic clipper. Okay, as you can see, this is the charging point. Okay, so that's a DC 2.4 volts. Okay, it's a very powerful motor. And then this is the charger, as you can see. Okay, quick connect. So easy, so kaboom, okay na kagad. And you have a brush. Okay, you have a brush here. Okay, this brush here, it will help you. So after you use it, okay, just make it clean to remove some remnants of those hairs. Okay, to clean it up before you keep it. Then you have some spacers. Okay, it depends on how thick or how long the hair you would like to cut. Okay, we have here, as you can see, 3 mm. We have 6 mm. Okay, we have 9 mm here and another 12 mm haircut. So you will just use it something like this. Okay, voila, and then start rolling to your head. Okay, so another one is there is an oil. Okay, as you can see, there is an oil inside. Of course, before you keep this one, after using it, brush it, and then use the oil. Okay, put some oil here so that you will safe keep it and still good on your next haircut. Okay, that's it. So that is the CODOS dynamic clipper. So now let's go to the bathroom and start doing some haircut to myself. Let's get it on, guys.